This is our automatic cutting machine for the first step of production. When the tubes are prepared, just set the parameters and the machine will cut automatically. This machine is a combination of shrinking and punching. It is responsible for the processing of straight hole tubes. After cutting, the second step concerns bending the tube to the frame. The tube is taken to the bending machine and bent to the prescribed shape. And the hole punching is also done at the same time. Here's the area of welding. We use fully automatic welding robotic arms. This can better ensure product quality. The screw set is sorted into a PE bag. Then weigh it and seal it. Springs packaging. We first print the quantity on the carton, then put the springs in. Finally weigh again to make sure there are no missing pieces, then wrap the tape. Inspection and packaging of connector are carried out on the same line. We inspect the appearance, welding and if it fits for the frame tube. Then put the corresponding number of connectors into the carton according to the trampoline size. At last, wrap tape and put corresponding sticker. We buy the raw material, cut and sew it ourselves, and turn it into the finished shape. We draw the shape on the jumping mat raw material before cutting. We sew 8 loops of thread around the edge of the big trampoline for reinforcement. After sewing, we'll do the jumping mat checking, including trimming thread ends and folding neatly. First, describe the shape, then cut along the shape. For cover pad, we provide PVC and PE material. After cutting, here comes to sewing area. We do hemming and elastic band sewing on this machine. Then they'll be taken to put the foam in. After sewing, we check whether there is any extra thread and whether the sewing is no problem. Then fold it neatly and prepare for wearing EP foam. We cut the PE material into proper size of safety net here. Now they are sewing the zipper to the safety net. If customers have requirement, we also sew the warning label in this area. This step is the same as jumping mat checking. Trimming thread ends and folding neatly.